I'm Linda Cullen, Crafty Stampin. I'm thrilled you decided to join Stampin' Up! And the Crafty Stampin' crew. I look forward to being your upline. So let me walk you through how to go about signing up with Stampin' Up! So the best place to start is right over at craftystampin.com. If you head up to the Join My Team button and click on that, we'll open a new page. And on here should have answer most of the questions you might have about joining. I even have some ideas for what you can put in your starter kit if you don't have any at the moment. And you can even download that flyer right here. And I answer some frequently asked questions. And if you have more questions though, please feel free to fill this form out and I'll get right back to you. Okay, so now you've decided you're good to go. Just hit this click here to join me button. This will take you over to Stampin' Up! And their form. So legal name. So I'm going to say Mary Jane Stamper. My email is, let's see, Mary at 123.com because I'm making this up. And 123 456 7890. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is choose your team lead. And because you've come through craftystampin.com, it's automatically going to put up my name. So you want to make sure you see my name and my face, and you're going to click next. Now you're going to put in your personal social security number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You put in your real one. I'm going to put in my birthday. Let's see. How old do I want to be? I'll be February 15th of 1990, and I'm a female and I don't have a secondary language. Again, put in your real info. So here I'm going to put in my address. Let's see, 123 Main Street. Let's see. I'll put in my town, Mass. 1675. And next. Oh, Maine. Oh, MA. Massachusetts. Let's try that. Okay. So supporting demonstrator, that is like your spouse. And most people will not. If you do, please read through this on legal spouse, but most people say no. So I'm gonna click next. All right, and then we're going to sign the agreements. So you can click on the acknowledge to consent and your IDA, your independent demonstrator agreement. So you can click them both here and read them. And then once you're read them, click both these and click next. All right, so now we're done with all the technical stuff. Now we get to pick our fun stuff. So here is the starter kit. So we are going to first thing you're going to check here is your business supplies. Everyone gets that. It's showing here you're going to get a paper pumpkin. You're going to get some catalogs, some invitations, some, let's see, so your beginner brochure, recruiting brochure, annual catalogs. You get a pack of 8 of all of those. 100 postcards, 50 customer order forms, 10 host envelopes, a paper pumpkin kit, a pack of 8 mini catalogs, and whatever promotional material. So depending on when you sign up, this will be a little bit different. Sometimes you actually won't get a paper pumpkin. You might get a coupon to redeem a paper pumpkin in the future, but you're generally going to get all this info. You can't not get this information. So take it. I'm sure you'll find a demonstrator in your area who'll take anything that you're not using. So I'm going to click Start Shopping at the bottom. Okay, this is where the fun begins. This is where you get to pick your products. What do you want in your starter kit? You have to pick $125 worth of product. You're going to pay $99 for that. You cannot go over the $125, and you have to come within $5. So you have to pick at least $120. So let's go through. So my best, make a list. What is it you want? Let's see. And you've got lots of options over here on the left to help choose, to search for various things, sweets, etc. Is there a place to search? Yeah, you can search up here in the corner. So I'm going to say stamp, let's see, emboss. Let's try a machine. Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. That's $120. Woohoo! What if I add that to my starter kit? So we go through and you pick anything and everything. You can pick the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, or you can pick lots of individual stamp sets. But let's say I went with this. So now I have, let me see if I can scroll up so you can see this. Down here at the bottom, all right, it's telling me I have $5 remaining. But, so if I want to go back to, oh, what's cool is here we have check this out for suggestions. So you can click here. Oh, is that the same document I just showed you on my form? Bet it is. Yep, so there's some help. So we can click view kit. So here's what I have so far for my kit. But I want to keep shopping. Where can I keep shopping? Yes, I am trying to choose. So I guess over here I'm going to hit previous in the bottom left hand corner. All right, so here we go. So I have $5 left. If I do this sort up here in the right hand corner and I change this to be from low to high. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now I know I have $5. So I could get a Stampin' spritzer. I could get some trim, this French stamp set, some refills, bunch of refills. We're going to go through a lot of refills here. Load more. We will hit every single color. Okay, I can get a clear block. I got pearlescent paper. So this way I'm trying to maximize load more. See if I can find something that's $5. Oh, I get the storage topper, shimmer effects, copper foil, sponge dot window sheets, pearls. Let's do the pearls. So if I click on the pearls, let me say add to starter kit. All right, now we can view my kit. Here's my kit. I have now spent my $125. So use that search low to high. Go through what you want. Know what you want. Make your list. But then search the low to high so you can get as much. You can see there's a lot of stuff. $3 so that you can maximize your $125 kit. Once you're done, there's a next you can't see in the lower right corner where my head is. If we click next, this is where you're going to review. And so you should see my name. You see your personal information. You want to make sure that is correct. If you hate ever seeing your name with like improper capitals or whatever, this is where you want to make sure it's fixed, because every time Stampin' Up! Sends any reports, it's going to be in this format. So just FYI. Your mailing list, if you have a supporting demo, your agreements, your shipping method, and now this is where you're going to put in your credit card info, and this is where I'm going to stop, because that is the last piece. Because once you've put that info, underneath where my head is a submit button, so you'll click that. That's how you fill it out, and that is how you become a demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And on the Crafty Stampin' Crew team. Please let me know if you have any questions, Linda at Crafty Stampin', or fill that form out on craftystampin.com, and I look forward to having you join my team. Bye.